We are back home and uncovering all of the fruit trees that we brought back with us from Petals from the Past nursery. And they covered them up really well with this material and kept them from getting damaged and wind burned. We're going to get them out and set them up in the backyard so we can give them a good water and welcome these plants to Texas. What is that one?
Plant number 1.
Elderberry.
Is it?
No?
I can't tell.
I think that's elderberry.
It says elderberry.
Yes, so we bought 5 of those. Cool.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, are. So let's do a little inventory on the trees we brought back from Alabama. We have Ayers pear. We have an Asian pear. Golden Delicious apple. Got 2 peach trees. One is a Guardian Flame Prince, and the other one is Harvester Peach. We also brought back some citrus that we'll put into some very large pots to keep out here. These are Satsuma and a Cara Orange, so we'll see how those do. We have roses with the rose hips for vitamin C. We have elderberries, and we have Olympic pear, Warren pear, and what is this guy?
Ayers.
Yeah, Ayers. Okay. And then we have blueberry plants, blueberry bushes. So these guys are Premier Blueberry, and we got 2 different kinds, 2 or 3, 2 different kinds. There's Austin, and this one is Premier. This one's probably Austin, yes. And these 2 little guys over here are Centurion. So that is quite a haul, bringing all these plants back. So we're going to get these watered, but it looks like they survived the trip okay. The only thing I saw that was broken, I have one tree here with a broken limb on it. We'll clip that off, and we'll get the rest of these all watered and see if we can perk them up. And they're long haul back to Texas from Alabama, but looks like they did pretty well. Now to get them all planted and in the right place. How does it feel to be back?
It's great.
What you got all of this spread out for?
Well, because I'm going to show you my fruit haul.
The fruit haul?
Yeah, my Alabama haul.
Well, is it all Alabama?
After the conference, we went on a drive. So in Missouri, Homesteading Life Conference was great. We got some stuff in Missouri. I went to Tennessee, and then from Tennessee we decided, hey, we'll go down to Alabama and see what all these peaches are like. So first we stopped at a place called the Little Giant, what was that called? Little Giant Farmers Market in Summerton, Alabama, and got tomatoes and peaches. And these peaches, he said, are from a heritage peach that a guy there grows. Few are a little green, which is nice, so we can save them, but they're nearly peeling themselves already. This next was from Peach Park in Clanton, Alabama. We got some peaches, and we got some roasted salted peanuts. Actually, you might have got these at the Little Giant. I can't remember. Yes, these came from Little Giant, and then we got these roasted. They were roasting peanuts at Peach Park. I think, I don't know, I'm getting all mixed up. And this definitely came from Peach Park. We found organic white cornmeal, which if you find organic cornmeal, you got to get it. And then the next morning we went to Durban Farms Market, right there. And got more peaches and some nectarines. And we've been eating on all these on the way home.
Yeah, we have. We've enjoyed them.
Very yummy. And then we went to Petals From The Past. Bought a whole slew of plants, which is great because
We were slap loaded down.
Our back of our truck was slap full. They say that there. Anyway, we bought fruit from Petals From The Past. They have a cooler with fruit from the trees that they have.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah, we got Asian pears and gala apples and a variety of figs. And then this is the African blue basil, which the bees will love. We get it trimmed up and repotted. And then a whole bunch of trees and bushes and roses.
And
we're going to be busy doing. And what? This is not Alabama.
On our way there,
Oh,
on
our way out of Missouri, we stopped at
the Mercantile.
the Mercantile Outlet in Troy, Missouri. Got a
Nice wind chime.
little wind chime.
On our way before that, we got you a pair of boots.
Well, yeah, mud boots.
Mud boots.
Yeah, because
Mud boots, real exciting.
Yeah, mud boots.
Needed a new pair. The old ones we.
Yes. We went to our stomping grounds. I haven't unboxed this yet. I wasn't knowing you were going to do this. But we got a few things from Ayers Pottery, which is in Ayers Pottery in
Hannibal.
thank you. Hannibal, Missouri.
We're a little road weary, guys.
A little bit. We just got here. And we got a fun little.
Yeah, I saw this one. I saw this one and just couldn't resist it at Ayers Pottery. So I love my birds. So we got this crazy little bird feeder.
Crazy little bird feeder just to match your coffee cup that you got a few years ago. And we went to the fabric store and got
Bunch of fabric.
little fabric. And anyway, isn't he cute?
It is. It's adorable.
These adorbs.
And at the
Okay.
Homesteading Life Conference, they had some extra pickle pucks, so we got some of those. Stacy gave us some. They had extras. And we got a little Rugosa Rose. And from Ray Tyler, who we visited with there, we got Growing Organic Lettuce. This book is really more about the business side of farming. So, business side of farming and how to do what we are actually trying to achieve here.
Yep. So it was a fun trip. I'm glad to be home. I want to go out and see my little chickens now and get these things put away before they melt.
Awesome.